Everybody, Forrest here, ripping 22-23 Upper Deck SP Authentic Hockey Hobby, 8-box number 2. Random teams here. We'll roll the dice. We'll do the random and we'll get started. Thanks for joining, everybody. We'll go 7 times. Rolling a 7. Names first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Robbie K down to Jeff H, and 7 times on the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Wild down to Sabres. Only 2 more basketball breaks and 3 more football breaks for the whole night, everybody. All right, Robbie K, Wild, Lance M, Penguins, William Q, Blackhawks, DW, Canadiens, Chris A, Ducks, Chris M, Islanders, Costa K, Predators, Skylar E, Red Wings, Craig M, Blues, Stephen B, Hurricanes, William P, Stars, Nang S, Bruins, Robert C with the Senators, Zufon with the Yotes, Derek S, Flames, Mark L, Jackets, Chris A, Sharks, Zufon, Canucks, DW, Kings, Silvio, Lightning, Daniel G, Panthers, Henry C, Rangers, DW with the Devils, Daniel M, Kraken, Nang S, Avalanche, Derek S, Jets, Frank Y, Oilers, Farhan, Flyers, Ben S, Knights, Tobias has the Caps, Jonathan L, Leafs, and Jeff with the Sabres, Jeff H with the Sabres. Okay, so next is the 2-box NBA that's full. There's a results link for you. Find those anytime at LaytonSportsCards.com. The results quick link is the bottom of the website. You can search all results there. The search bar is also a great way to search results.
Oh, they're just giving it away, dude.
Yep, late game. That's how they do it. Okay, 13, 17 to go on the gold standard mixer now. Here is a link for the second Flux and Draft. 18 to go on it. Actually, I'm not going to drop a link. There's enough links. There's enough links in chat. Here we go. Hockey time. Hockey time. Here we go. Collaborations, McKinnon McCarr. Pageantry Auto, Mad Sogard, Senators. This card's Senators. Pageantry Pasta for the Bruins. Limited red is Goulet Future Watch for Montreal. Soderblom Top Rookies. It's a Foley Pageantry. Red, Pedersen, Canucks. True Leaders, Crosby, the Pens, Pavelski, Pageantry. Future Watch Red is Simon Holmstrom for the Islanders. True Leaders, Huberdeau, and Pageantry, Braden Schneider. Got a red, Jared McCann. Limited for the Kraken. Top rookies, Caden Korczak, and a Zegras Pageantry. Red, Matt Zuccarello on the limited for the Wild. Kyrou and Robert Thomas. Pageantry red, Patrick Kane for the Hawks. Future Watch red, Juuso Parssinen for the Senators. Not Senators, for the Predators. Atsurati. A Lucas Dostal. Retro Future Watch auto to $3.99. Anaheim. Anaheim Ducks. Chris A. There you go on the Dostal. Future Watch Variation 2. 2 goalie autos in the first box. Limited red is Werenski Jackets, Panarin, and a sign of the times is going to be Alexei Protas. Capitals, 3 autos in the first box of the break. That's exactly what happened last night. Top rookies is Kovacevic, Canadiens. Spectrum Effects, McKinnon for the Avs. Again, these are bounty cards of Spectrum Effects. Eichel in the pageantry. Red Future Watch is Sanderson Senators. Nice Sanderson. Berggren and Future Watch Blue is Adam Raska to $3.99 for San Jose. Do you know the way, San Jose? Score now. It's not good.
97-105.
Giving it away, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what they got to get as the late game. They got to figure out. Someone like Paolo or like Franz gonna have to be like the guy with the ball in their hands at the end of the game that can get it done. And they got to play good defense and like not make bad decisions. Red Future Watch is Lixell for the Flyers. True Leaders McDavid. And Future Watch Auto is going to be Alex Vlasic to $9.99 for Chicago. Greg, how we doing tonight?
What's up, Greg?
It's just looking bad, man. They just have no plan on offense, dude. Shot clock violation. I have a shot clock violation in the fourth quarter of a game. Red Kopitar Future Watch Kings. True Leaders Bergeron Bruins. Pageantry Grant Fuhr.
What up, Strive?
Strive, good evening.
What up, what up?
Greg's here to stir it up, I can tell.
Uh-huh.
Red Future Watch is Marcus Bjork, Blue Jackets.
I expect nothing
Chuck,
less.
Jonathan Quick. Red Sidney Crosby Penguins. Top rookies Dostal. Sogard Pageantry.
Hey,
This
man,
man-
solid, baby. It's always solid down
This
there.
man is a knucklehead. All right.
Talent's always solid down there.
Future Watch. Future Watch Auto Patch. Oh, man. Dylan Sandberg. Look at the patch on this thing. Oh, my God. The Jet patch. It's a 1/1. That's incredible. Dude, Derek S. Look how gorgeous that thing is. Woo! Oh, my God, man. What a perfect patch on that. Gold ink 1/1. 2 hockey 1/1 patch autos tonight.
Yeah. That's nice.
Dude, the hockey is the heat. Holy cow. Oh my God. Sandberg is a good player too. Future Watch, Auto Patch, Sandberg 1/1. Blue liner for the Jets. Holy cow. What a card. Congrats to Derek.
Derek.
Pavelski and Robertson. Barkov.
That is good patch.
Red Future Watch is Vlasic for the Hawks. Bordeleau, Machelli. Machelli's good. What's up, John? Yeah, he's pretty solid, Bradley.
What's up, John?
He's a D man, so it's not like, you know, the craziest thing, but still, I mean, it's a 1/1 Future Watch auto patch, 1/1 rookie patch auto. That's a big card. Red Keller for the Yotes, Gunther top rookies, and a Future Watch Spectrum Effects Kovacevic for the Canadiens. Nice one there. It's not going well, is it? Down by double digits now.
97-108.
Good God, dude, I'm not going to see any Magic games this year. Owen Power top rookies for the Sabres. They need to figure it out. JT Miller Spectrum Effects for the Canucks.
We're in
Pageantry
Popka.
Heiskanen. Yeah, we're in a Popka, Greg.
Yeah. A little north of Orlando.
You've been here. You love it here. Future Watch Red is Bitten for the Blues. Vlasic there. Future Watch Blue, Noah Cates to $3.99 for the Flyers. Where are you at? God, no. I don't know, man.
Hopefully you're still at the elbow room.
Red Carlson, Golden Knights. Horvat Pedersen. Red Pageantry, Burnsy for the Canes. That count? You got to see this. That was an insane. That was a circus shot. Watch this. He's bumped and just like throws it
A
up.
floater.
All right, okay. That could do. We keep. All right, now we got to get a stop. Got to get the and one and the stop. Come on, Magic. Breaks? Oh, I don't know, man. We are trying to fill up some basketball and football, Greg. So the ones on the homepage are the ones that we're looking at next. There's a 2-box draft and flux. There's a select and draft choice 6-box mixer. There is iMac Mosaic Choice Plates Football, Gold Standard Immaculate Mosaics Football, and Flawless Football. Greg just grabbed 2 flawless spots. It's not 28 now. All right. Smells like fried chicken in here, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
That is a Neil Pionk on the Upper Deck Authentics auto for Winnipeg. Another hit for Winnipeg. Pageantry Spence. Had to have my chicken tender pub sub earlier.
I had 1 chicken tender left over. I just air fried it.
Red Future Watch is Parsonen. Preds, McKinnon, McCarr. Lixell auto to $9.99 Flyers. Future Watch. All right, Magic blew it.
Oh, yeah.
They blew it in the 4th quarter. You can change it to whatever. You probably put the football game on. I'm not going to any Magic games until they figure out how to play in the 4th quarter. Pedersen red for the Canucks. Collaborations is Pavelski and Robertson. Anze Kopitar. Red Future Watch, Holmstrom for the Islanders. Soderblom, Berggren. Red McCann for the Kraken. True Leaders, Huberdeau, and Matthews Pageantry. How many hat tricks Matthews up to this year now? Go to the game for 3 quarters. Yeah, but you don't pay for the ticket price is not a 3-quarter ticket price.
Nor.
I did buy Nate Bargatze tickets last night though.
Who?
Nate Bargatze's a comedian.
Oh, yeah?
Red Lucas Raymond for the Red Wings. Perot. You got Red Pageantry Messier for the Oilers. Next purchase is going to be Blink-182 tickets. That's not a cheap endeavor, though. I ain't sitting behind the stage, like up top. I ain't sitting there, so. You can sit there for like $50, though.
Yeah.
You just never see their faces.
Yeah.
Red Future Watches, Goulet for the Canadiens. Pageantry, Kuznetsov. Red Schmaltz for the Yotes. Top rookies, Alexandrov. Future Watch Spectrum Effects, Brant Clark for the Kings. Top rookies is Dylan Gunther for the Yotes. Spectrum Effects, Cale Makar. Dude, where's Cale Makar? And Pageantry, Bobby Orr, the GOAT. Red Future Watch, Michael Isimont for the Jets. True Leaders is Okposo. And Future Watch Clear is Kirill Marchenko for the Jackets. Kirill the Thrill Marchenko. Few more spots coming in. Andy F with a spot in basketball. Same with H. Lynn. And Greg with 4. Oh, man. Here we go, y'all. It's ramping up. It's ramping up. Like the stream. Share the stream. Tag your friends. Tag your family. 6 to go on Select Hobby and Draft Choice. 28 to go now on Flawless. Let's go, let's go. You know, the Jets line does stink. Wilson ain't great, but you don't get no help from them. Red Future Watch is Brandon Biro for the Sabres. Ekblad. Shady.
What's up? Shady?
E.
E.
Red Stützle Senators. Green top rookies. Kallgren Leafs. Sharon Govich Pageantry. I want to make Sam and Kyle write more hockey just to hear him say the names.
Shady, we running some Fort tomorrow if you're around.
Red Future Watch, Carson Meyer Jackets.
Got Steve for views playing.
Suzuki, Kent Johnson. The Steve for views.
No views.
He'll finally get some views and he can play with you.
Yeah, I'm help him out.
Red Sebastian Aho Canes. Top rookies Michelli and Ottinger Pageantry. Top rookies Matt Boldy for the Wild. Josh Bailey to 99. Sign of the Times Islanders. Beautiful gold ink Islanders there. Messier Pageantry. Red Future Watch is Simeon Der Argachintsev. Simeon Der Argachintsev for the Leafs. Gaudreau and Line A. And Future Watch auto to 399 is going to be Peyton Krebs. 2021 Future Watch auto Peyton Krebs for the Knights. All right, solid hit for the Knights there for sure. Ryan O'Reilly on the red, Fujimo top rookies, and O'Reilly Walsh Future Watch auto for the Devils to 699 in the retro. Yeah, it was numbered to 99, Brad. Kane and Taves collaborations on the blue. Spectrum Effects Marner Leafs. Pageantry UC Saros. Future Watch Red, Mark McLaughlin Bruins, Kent Johnson, and Seth Jarvis to 99 for the Canes. It's going pretty well, Shady. We're chilling. Watch the Magic blow it.
Doo-doo.
Yup. Boneheaded plays in the fourth quarter. Red, Brady Tkachuk Senators. True Leaders, Jonathan Taves. And Pageantry Red, Tristan Yari. Spectrum Effects, Future Watch, Bobby Brink Flyers as well. All right, guys, so next is the first two-box Flux and Drafty. The second one of those has 18 to go. We have Bowman Chrome U filled up, Black and Plates patches filled up, Mosaic Hobby Choice No Huddle filled up. So we do have a ways to go. There are still 5 breaks with spots left. Yeah, they should have. They outplayed them the entire game, then they got to the fourth. Good old Magic. There to let you down every time. Future Watch Auto Jack Quinn. Nice card for the Sabres out of 199 on the retro. Great hit, Sabres. Go. Eichel and Stone. Pageantry Stutzla. Red Future Watch is Ben Myers for the Avs. Nathan Smith. Ovi. A red Ekblad Panthers, Caden Gooley top rookies for the Canadiens, and a Henrik Lundqvist. Yeah, well, they came back tonight and won. They literally just played better in the fourth quarter. They were just smarter, and like they didn't make mistakes. That was pretty much it. Red Future Watch Lodine for the Senators, but hey, sometimes it's all you need to do to beat the Magic. Is not be dumb. Red Future Watch, or not Future Watch, but Red Stamkos Bolts, Rossi top rookies, and Boldy Pageantry. McDavid and Draisaitl collaborations. Spectrum Effects is going to be Patrick Kane for the Hawks. And Huberdeau Pageantry. Red Future Watch, Jean-Luc Foudy, Avs. Top rookies, Blumel. Future Watch Blue is Colgren. Nice one, Leafs to $3.99. Heck yeah, Leafs. Red is Tom Wilson, Capitals. Collaborations, Kachuk and Stützle. Pageantry, Huberdeau, red for the Flames. Red Future Watches, Lauko for the Bruins. Slavkovsky, top rookies. And a Vlasic Future Watch Retro Auto to $3.99 Hawks. Red is Brandon Saad Blues. Stamkos True Leaders and Bjork Future Watch Spectrum Effects for the Jackets. That's what my dog says, Bjork.
Bjork.
They're about to punt it. Herbert out there with like nobody to throw it to. Kind of both these guys, though. They got one receiver right now. Both of them. Wilson playing better than Herbert right now. Red Yossi Nashville. Top rookies Kachetkov for the Canes and a Schneider Future Watch Spectrum Effects Rangers. Collaborations Horvat and Pedersen for Vancouver there. Spectrum Effects Kachuk Senators and Cider Pageantry.
Man, that defense is really good.
Yes, it is. Red Future Watch is Blankenberg for the Jackets. True Leaders Bergeron. Green Future Watch to $1.99. Sanderson Senators. Very nice low number Sanderson for the Sens here. Robert C. There you go. Red Drysdale Ducks. Owen Power top rookie Sabres and a red Pageantry Sharon Govich Devils, followed by blue Future Watch Declan Chisholm for the Jets to $3.99. Jets again. Red Future Watch is Korzak for the Knights. Matthews and Marner. Tage Thompson Pageantry. Red Panarin for the Rangers there. Top rookies Vlasic for the Hawks. Pageantry is Bordelot Sharks. Red Future Watch Sandberg Jets. Top rookies Jordan Harris Canadiens and Pageantry Yossi for the Preds. Red Suzuki Canadiens, True Leaders Trouba for the Rangers, and Draisaitl Pageantry for the Oilers. Top rookies is Goulet going to the Canadiens. Alex Nedeljkovic curated signatures out of $1.99 for the Red Wings. And Nedeljkovic for the Wings to $1.99. Kastelik Pageantry. Red Future Watch is Reinhardt for the Senators. McDavid and Draisaitl. Future Watch Auto Sandberg Jets to $9.99. All right, Jets, you just keep going with these Sandbergs. What
Wow,
the
that's just
heck? Why would
stupid.
he didn't even hit the? He wasn't even throwing it where he was running. Watch, he's behind him. Like,
It stinks, dude.
bad decision and a bad throw. What was that? Not fine. The Chargers have timeout or no? Red Barzal Islanders, Matthews and Marner, and Modano. Red Future Watch, Owen Power Sabres, Dylan Larkin True Leaders, Pageantry Panarin. Red Vasilevsky Lightning, top rookies McBain for the Coyotes, and a Pageantry is Kuzmenko for the Canucks. Be sure to like the stream, everybody. That is a Mark Messier Authentics Auto for the Rangers. That is a great hit for the New York Rangers. Love to see big-time vet auto here. Henry C., or legend auto, I should say. Messier going to Henry C. There you go. Suzuki and Caulfield there. And a Beniers Pageantry for the Kraken. Red Future Watch, Slavkovsky, Canadiens. Nice red. Pauline, and a Future Watch Autos, Christensen for the Jackets to $9.99. Jake Christensen, Blue Jackets. Red Kirby Dot, Canadiens, True Leaders, Anders Lee, and Future Watch, Zerkaj for the Canadiens, Spectrum Effects. Top rookies, Jordan Harris, Montreal. Spectrum Effects is Gino for the Pens. Ottinger Pageantry. Oh, they're trying to get field goal range. They have timeouts. Then that's it. Do a Hail Mary, maybe. Red Future Watch, Bobby Brink for the Flyers. Sandberg top rookies. And Okotiuk Future Watch to $9.99 for the Devils. Nikita Okotiuk. Red Draisaitl Oilers, Stamkos and Kucherov. Red Pageantry is Boldy for the Wilds. Red Future Watch, Karlstrom Stars. Top rookies, Jordan Spence and Pageantry, Regenda for the Ducks. Last box coming up. Let me check spots really quickly. We'll finish up the hockey break here. Hockey been killing it tonight. Okay, we are at 16 to go now on this 2-box. Just link just dropped to you in chat. I'm going to tweet out one of the football breaks. Rich, it's a great one. It is a great one. Yeah, perfectly, just about perfectly centered logo patch. Red, Saros, Nashville, Beniers, top rookies, and Pageantry, Bobby Orr. Future Watch Auto is Zerkaz to $9.99 Montreal. Hughes and Bratz, Kuznetsov Pageantry. All right, guys, what Modern Warfare 2 map are you looking forward to the most, other than Rust? Future Watch Red is Blumel for the Stars. Top rookies is Parsonen and Soderblom Pageantry. Maybe High Rise. Maybe Estate. Red, Josh Norris Senators. Top rookies Blues, Okotiuk Devils. Perfetti Pageantry. Nailed it. Good enough? Yep.
Yeah, what was that? 40,
55.
50 something yarder?
Yeah, 55. Future Watch Red is Philip Krall for the Leafs. OV True Leaders, and a Jordan Harris pageantry. Red Drysdale Ducks, Matthews and Marner, red Soderblom pageantry for the Wings. Red Future Stars, Fujimo Kings. Top rookies, Kachetkov. Future Watch Auto, Eric Kallgren. Nice one, Leafs to $9.99. Red Yossi Nashville, True Leaders, Bergeron Bruins. And a Future Watch Spectrum Effects, Ratcliffe Flyers. True Leaders Blue is Kopitar Kings, Spectrum Effects, Rantanen, Colorado, and a Kopitar Pageantry. Red Future Watch is Blankenberg Jackets, top rookies Owen Power Sabres, and a $3.99. You've got Future Icons Holloway and Bouchard for the Oilers.
Let's go, Shady. Hit you up tomorrow. We're playing. Marathon. No views. Forest for a little bit.
Think you're okay caught again? Don't think
Said
you're gonna get it.
he's gonna buy it anymore.
I haven't bought it since 2019, so I'm gonna get it this time. We'll see how it is. I'll give it a good play for a little while.
I'm out on that.
Yeah, Sean's afraid. That's fine.
Yeah, sorry.
A few numbered cards here. You had the Sanderson to 199, and the clear Marchenko Future Watch was pretty cool. Autos of Eric Kallgren, Arbor Zikaj, or Zikai. Jake Christensen, Mark Messier was a very nice one for the Rangers on the Authentics auto. Dylan Sandberg, Nedeljkovic curated signatures to 199. Future Watch is Vlasic Retro. Another retro is Riley Walsh. The Peyton Krebs from 2021 here. Peyton Krebs at 399. Sign of the Times Gold to 99. It's going to be Josh Bailey for the Islanders. Very nice one there. You got Lixell to 999. Authentics is Pionk for the Jets. Vlasic again here. Protas for the Caps, Sign of the Times. You got a Dostal to 399 Future Watch Retro. Pageantry Sogard auto for the Sens. We had a Jack Quinn Future Watch Retro auto to 199 for the Sabres. And one of the better hits of the night, I would say. Future Watch auto patch 1/1 for Winnipeg, Dylan Sandberg. Hell of a hit. Big congrats to the Jets. Amber Jack-Eye. See, dude, I've heard that before. It's a crazy name. Sandberg, big congrats to the Jets. That's so freaking sick. Moving on now to basketball.